Time to go to work. I seem to have a line here and 2 lines there. Not too sure why that is, and it's gone down quite a bit on that side, but not so much on that side. Mother's quite concerned. I'm just like, whatevs. But yeah, it does feel a bit strange. And it's going all the way right down to there. And I seem to have some red marks around my eye as well. However, this side seems like it's kind of gone down, whereas this is not. I'm constantly getting little bits of this bandana thingy on the donut area while it's on. Now bearing in mind, I've still got these 2 red lines here. Going like that. Whew. And a bit on this side as well. It's a bit red there. Just to be on the safe side, tonight I'm going to wear this bandana thingy again, but I'm pretty confident when I wake up tomorrow I won't need to keep it on. My head looks slightly strange though. Bit of a weird shape.